Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a zesty blue cheese sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well welcome back. Thanks a lot for being here. We appreciate you joining from whatever platform you're viewing us on. Like I said, we're going to be making a zesty blue cheese sauce. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are. We are going to start out with a half a cup of sour cream, a half a cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of crumbled blue cheese, a half a tablespoon of some fresh lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire, half a tablespoon of horseradish, half a tablespoon of some freshly minced garlic, half a teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of pepper. Let's start mixing it up. All right, let's make this up. We're gonna add our mayonnaise, our sour cream, don't need that anymore. Let's add our blue cheese crumbles in there. We'll give that a stir, get those all mixed in before we add our horseradish, salt and pepper, Worcestershire, garlic, and lemon juice. Mix this all up. There you go, mixed up. I'm gonna get some chicken nuggets out here. We're gonna give this a try. Alright, got some nice shots. Let's give this a try. Get our chicken nuggets here. See how well that sticks to that chicken. Really thick sauce. You've got that creaminess, of course, with the sour cream and the mayonnaise in there. With that lemon and the sour cream have a nice acidity to it that kind of counterbalances that saltiness of the blue cheese crumbles. A little Worcestershire kind of earthiness. Yeah, this is really good. Very good on a burger with mushrooms. Chicken wings, of course, buffalo chicken wings. Yeah, this is really, really good. I can't stop eating. I love blue cheese. It likes to be front and center. It's more than any other dressing. That blue cheese likes to really stand out. All right, I got quite a bit here, like about a cup and a half. Throw it in a concealed container. Keep up to about 3 weeks in your refrigerator. Thanks a lot for watching. We make blue cheese, zesty blue cheese sauce. I hope you make it. You will appreciate it. Have a great day. We'll see you again next time. Bye.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.